Financial stability touches nearly every part of our modern lives. It dictates our daily choices and becomes absolutely critical for maintaining our lifestyle in retirement. We all have access to the most powerful tool to achieve it: investing. Yet studies show a massive gap in financial confidence, with most young adults feeling unprepared. Our education systems are only beginning to address this crucial life skill. This leaves many entering the workforce without a clear plan for their money. The financial world can seem designed to profit from this confusion, selling dreams with complex products. It's time we cut through the noise and reclaim control. Learning how to invest wisely is the ultimate form of self-protection for your future. Welcome to Invest Easy 101. On this channel, we will make the world of finance calm, clear, and completely understandable. I will be your guide, not a guru. You will learn the fundamental principles of investing, from how markets work to building a resilient portfolio. We will explore the different types of investments, their pros and cons, and how they fit together. The goal is to equip you with knowledge, not to give you hot stock tips or specific financial advice. My mission is to strip away the jargon and hype that make finance feel intimidating. I want to help you understand your options so you can make informed decisions with confidence. This channel is about building your financial literacy, one easy lesson at a time. So, what can you expect from Invest Easy 101? We will start with the absolute basics and build a strong foundation together. Our journey will cover everything from why investing matters to the psychology behind our money decisions. We'll break down topics like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and the critical impact of fees and taxes. You'll learn how to avoid common behavioral traps and develop a simple, effective investing plan. Each video is designed to give you actionable knowledge you can use immediately. The voice here will always be calm, trustworthy, and straightforward. Think of me as a knowledgeable friend explaining concepts over a coffee. We will use simple language and clear analogies, making sure no topic ever feels out of reach. Your role is to be curious and engaged. The most powerful step you can take is to commit to your own financial education. By understanding the rules of the game, you gain a significant advantage. I encourage you to ask questions in the comments on every video. Your questions will help shape the content and ensure we cover what matters most to you. This channel is designed to be a resource for your unique journey. Together, we will build the knowledge you need to navigate the financial world on your terms. You'll learn how to choose the products and services that are truly best for you. The goal is to help you build a future defined by security and independence. Investing is important, and understanding it is your first step toward true financial freedom. I am genuinely excited to embark on this learning journey with all of you. Thank you so much for joining me here at the start. If this mission resonates with you, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribing is the best way to ensure you never miss a new lesson as we build your knowledge together. Let's build your confidence and build your wealth the easy way. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll tackle the essential question: why is investing important? What's your biggest financial question right now? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest smart, invest easy.